Hello YouTube, this is Frank, and this is June the 22nd, 2026, and this is my 106th video, and this is a video, just an update of my channel. I'm still working on my project. I went down another rabbit hole, Berkeley Yak. I went down another rabbit hole, GPSD, towards a better protocol, another rabbit hole. There was a recent fuzz report for GPSD, and I read that. And number 5, I bought me a new web camera, a new laptop, and I downloaded the Open Broadcaster software. And I may try to use try to use some editing on my videos. I'm going to put my board down. Let me show you what I got. Let's see. Video. I have no financial employment, personal or family relationship with any brand or product. I purchase products that appear in my videos with my money. I'm retired. I just put her around. AI was not used in this video. Yeah, this is a channel update video. I hadn't made a video in a couple of months, and I wanted to just update. Yeah, I'm retired, and since I'm retired, I have time to pursue rabbit holes, and you can't fire me. Yeah, I'm still working on my project, rabbit hole, Berkeley Yak. I read that GPSD, and there's a fuzz report for GPSD that I read, and I bought me a new camera and a new refurbished laptop and that Open Broadcaster software. Yeah, let me just kind of show you where I am in my project. I'm still working. I've got through video 7 right here. I kind of went down a rabbit hole, and I've got some videos planned for that rabbit hole. I've got everything done except for number 9, and I'll try to get those videos out. The important ones are the skeleton, the output from Berkeley Yak that I use in my project. So those are the most important ones. Now after the Berkeley Yak, that's the fuzzer is the next step in my project, and that's kind of what I was interested in that report for that recent report from GPSD, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Let's see now. Here, Berkeley Yak. It's kind of a special rabbit hole for me. I used Flex and Berkeley Yak for about 20 years at work to do quality checks on data coming off various sensors and data recorders. And I want to update that original Berkeley source code with the current compiler flags, analyzers, Valgrind, and sanitizers. Let's see. And let's see now. Yeah, those are the videos I got planned. I've got everything done except for number 9 right here, 7.9. Let's see now. Rabbit hole. I was kind of looking at this. I used Flex and Yak to parse those NMEA sentences, and so I was kind of interested in seeing what GPSD had to say about that, and I was reading their, and let me show you their web page that I'm talking about. It's kind of, he goes on about the timestamps there, and I was kind of interested in seeing what he says there, but I don't think that's a problem with my, after reading this web page, I don't think that's going to be a problem with in my project. let me get back to my notes here. So I guess he's talking about other GPSs or older receivers. I don't think it'll be a problem with my project using u-blox. I'm using u-blox receivers. The other thing, now after I get through with my Berkeley Yak video, the next one is running that fuzzer on my parser in my project. So I wanted to see what they were finding in GPSD. And let's see. Yes, I wanted to see what they were finding, because me, I can only do basic fuzzing. These guys here, let me show you what I'm talking about. They've got a project there on GitHub. I think it's Exchange Labs. If you search for that, and if you go down just a little bit here, there's that fuzzer that he's talking about. Now I believe he's got some more information over there, and so I was interested to see what they were finding there. So that's another rabbit hole that I went down, and I'll try to make a video on that one, because I think basic fuzzing is better than no fuzzing at all. And last year I did purchase those 5 refurbished Dell micro PCs, and so since I can only do basic fuzzing, I can put a fuzz job on each one of those micro PCs and see what they find. Let's see. So yeah, let me, because I was kind of showing you where I am in my project. So here's the very next thing is to test those parsers and run that fuzzer on the project. And the last one, let me see here. The last update, I bought me a new web camera from the Walmarts, a refurbished laptop, and I downloaded that Open Broadcaster software. Let me show you. Here's my new camera from the Walmarts, $35, and I bought me a new, a refurbished laptop. I just normally purchase those refurbished business laptops. I bought that one in June, just a few weeks ago. Trying to update my equipment here. Now I've used Microsoft products at home and work since the 1980s, and now Microsoft Windows, it reached the end of support in October last year, and I'm just not interested in Windows 11. I'm just not interested in creating a Microsoft account. I don't want all those advertisements that pop up, and I'm not interested in AI. So I want to kind of move on to some other operating system. Now I have used Ubuntu for about 15 years at home and work. I tried Debian. I didn't really care for it that much. Now, recently I tried Fedora, and I think I prefer Fedora. And the reason is the up-to-date compilers and development software that I use. Now I've done a lot of work on my project and on the rabbit holes, and I'll try to get some of the videos out. I'll get to a point where I think I'm ready to release a video, and then I find 10 things I did wrong in my project, or I find another rabbit hole to go down. But I'll try to plan to get my project videos out, and I plan to get my rabbit hole videos out. And so this is a channel update. I wanted to make a video. I'm still working on my projects, and I'll try to get these videos out. So just thank you for watching.